And we're back with another knife review. Today we're going to do the Bear Ops Rancor II. If you guys aren't familiar with Bear Ops, it's a division of Bear & Son. They do some balisongs, made in USA knives. So this is a American knife. Let's clean off our table there. Interesting. Kind of looks like a paraframe knife. Kind of like a Gerber airlift. Let's get started. We'll go over some specs and then we'll show you how this baby cuts. This knife is, let's just pull this up and take a peek at it since I have it sitting here. It's just a little bit short of 8 inches, so somewhere around 7 7/8. The blade is approximately 3 inches, with the blade edge being 2 and a 7/8 inch cut area. The handle is 4 3/8. It's got its glass break, which is a back spacer. They didn't tell me the material in the back spacer. Not really sure. Could be G10. The blade is 58 to 60 on the Rockwell scale. It is a CPM S30V metal. The weight is 4.5 ounces. The handle is stainless steel. Everywhere you look, it's got some jimping. It's got some here, some on the back, some here at the bottom of the handle for grip. And this one, the flipper stud sticks out a nice distance so your hand doesn't slide onto the blade during a heavy use. It's got thumb studs, but I think they're probably more for left-handed people because it's hard to get them to flip when you have the flipper stud right here in your hand. I guess you could do it with a little bit of practice. Hold the knife a little bit lower. This knife has a pocket clip, stainless steel. It looks as if it is a reversible. I believe it is. Relatively sure. Lanyard hole. Has cutouts for like a paraframe knife would. Mentioned it had dual thumb studs, and it's made in the USA. That's always a plus. The blade here it's coated. They don't say what it's coated in, but should give protection to the knife so that it doesn't scratch easily. Alright, let's show you how this knife cuts. If I mentioned it or not, but this is a tip down carry knife. That would be left or right, since the clip is reversible. With this being an S30 V blade, I'm sure it's going to be sharpened properly so that this thing cuts well. Got a little piece of burlap left to see if we can get enough in here to slide a blade in there and cut it. I think we can. Cuts right through it. We'll clean that up. We'll bring some cardboard over, because most of us warriors are cardboard cutters. We'll go from the front tip to the back to see how this cuts on all parts of the blade. It was smooth all the way across. We'll bring it back to forward in this cut. Slips out there at the end. We'll give it another shot. Not bad. We'll poke it through now and give it some cuts. Not bad. It could be a little bit sharper, but yeah, some knives you have to sharpen when you get them. Some of them you don't. A lot of people will sharpen them anyway. Not a bad looking blade. So once again, this is the Bear Ops Rancor II. It has a modified drop point blade, CPM S30V. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you're paying attention to us here on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knfe. We do giveaways and post tons of videos. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and like our channel. Watch our weekly show, which comes out every Friday night with Jewel and I. We'll bring you all the latest knives, as well as we do it in a humorous manner. On that note, I'll end this by saying, I am C with Atlantic Knfe, and I am signing off.